What's up, drone enthusiasts? Watch out. Unboxing alert. Let's get ready to geek out over some serious drone gear. Today, we're diving deep into the world of DJI Avata 2 accessories. I know, the drone itself is amazing, but let's be honest, it needs some extra love to truly shine. So, I've scoured AliExpress to find the best protective gear and ND filters to keep your investment safe and your footage looking flawless. As you know, FPV drones can be a bit delicate, especially when you don't really know what you're doing still, like me, so protecting your investment is crucial. Let's unbox these essentials together and see if they live up to the expectations.
Okay, let's start with this one here.
So this will be the landing gear, which is in theory designed to keep the drone safe on landings. It's got a really cool spider leg design that gives it a wider base, making takeoffs and landings smoother, even on uneven ground. Plus, it helps protect the drone from dirt, rocks, or any other obstacles you might encounter. The best part? It's lightweight and doesn't interfere with the drone's performance. At least, it's what they claim. By the way, if you're wondering if it will damage the drone sensors, this landing gear is supposedly designed to fit perfectly without blocking any of them, and sturdy enough to handle a few bumps and bruises. So, if you're looking for a way to keep your Avata 2 safe and sound, this landing gear sounds like a good option to consider. Regardless, it's a small investment that can potentially save you from a big headache later on. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you've tried this landing gear yourself. Next, we have the Propeller Guard for the DJI Avata 2. This little gadget promises to protect the drone from bumps, scrapes, and more. Let's dive in. Look at this, the Propeller Guard. First impressions? It's lightweight, which is great for minimizing added weight to the drone, and the orange and black color scheme gives it a nice sporty look. Now, what's so special about this thing? Well, it's made from a combination of EVA and PC materials. This means it's both flexible and strong, which is perfect for absorbing impacts and protecting the drone's propellers. The design is simple yet effective. It's easy to install and doesn't add too much bulk to the drone. So, if you're looking to keep your DJI Avata 2 safe from bumps and bruises, this Propeller Guard is definitely worth checking out. It's a small investment for big protection. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you've tried this Propeller Guard yourself. Next, we have the ND filter set for the DJI Avata 2. Let's check it out. Inside, we find 4 different filters: the ND8, ND16, ND32, and MCUV filters, all housed in a compact case. The filters themselves feel sturdy and well built, with acclaimed premium glass construction. There were many different combinations of filters to choose from, but I went with this one because I believe it's the one that better fits my needs. Now, what do these filters actually do? Well, the ND neutral density filters reduce the amount of light entering the camera, allowing you to use wider apertures in bright conditions. This is great for achieving a shallow depth of field and cinematic effects. The MCUV filter, on the other hand, protects your camera lens from UV light and any bumps and scratches, which is an important factor as the camera lens isn't cheap at all. To be very honest with you guys, I'm excited to test these filters out and see how they impact my footage. I'll be sure to share my findings in a future video. For now, though, I'm impressed with the build quality and the potential of this filter set. Let me know in the comments what you think, and if you have any questions. Last but not the least, we have the Gimbal Bumper for the DJI Avata 2. Let's check this one. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Is a tiny bumper really going to make a difference? Well, let's find out. First off, I'm impressed by the build quality. It's made of aluminum alloy, which is both lightweight and sturdy. This little guy is designed to be a minimalist shield for the drone's most delicate part, the gimbal. As you can see, it's incredibly compact. It's designed to fit snugly around the gimbal, providing a protective barrier between the camera lens and any potential obstacles. The dimensions are perfect for the Avata 2, coming in at 19 by 13 by 0.5 centimeters and weighing a mere 8.5 grams. Now, let's talk about why you might need this. If you're like me, you've probably clipped your drone into a branch or two, or maybe you've had a slightly too enthusiastic landing. This gimbal bumper can help prevent those nasty scratches and dents that can ruin your drone. So, if you're looking for an affordable and effective way to protect your DJI Avata 2's gimbal, this might be just what you need. Have you tried any other accessories for your Avata 2? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Please stay tuned for other worthwhile watching videos I have planned to share with you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to help the channel grow. See you on the next one.